Hello. So I was thinking we should do an eyeshadow tutorial. Let's get it. Okay, so first I am going to prime my eyes with the NYX eyeshadow base. Then I'm going to use the Airspun loose face powder on my eyes just a little bit so the eyeshadow will be all nice there. So next I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Next, I'm going to take the Morphe. This is the 39S Such a Gem Artistry palette. Next, I'm just taking a fluffy brush and I'm taking this brown color and I'm mixing it up on my eyeballs there. We're going to go in nice. There we go. We're just going to blend that all out to the crease. I am taking this nice purple color and I'm blending it on my crease because we are going to make these eyes look nice. So we're blending it. Next, we're just going to take this dark purple color, doing the same thing. We're just building up that shadow in that crease. We're going to make it look all nice and defined. This is definitely a party look. So we are just blending it all up there. We're going to look fancy. And we're blending it. And don't look at the little hairs that I have because my eyebrows were kind of growing out. Let's see. Next, we're going to take... This is basically like a black shimmery sparkly color. You might be like, whoa, Myra, this is a little too much. But remember, this is a party look, so we're going all out. Okay, I'm just blending it with my big fluffy brush. I'm defining the crease. Sorry if I'm going too fast. Then I'm taking that same purple color and I am blending it because we gotta make it look defined, like I said. This is already looking nice. We're gonna go a little bit lower than the eyebrows. We gotta make my little hairs there pop. And I'm going in all nice. Then we're gonna take this really nice sparkly color. This is a pink sparkly color. We're gonna go in there with our brush right on the lids. And when I was doing this, I was like, you know what? It goes better with the finger. So that is what we're doing. I'm just going in there, packing it all up. We're gonna make it look nice. Next, we're gonna go with this a little bit lighter pink color. We're gonna go kind of on the corners of the eyes. We gotta make it look sparkly. We are gonna shine tonight. Next, we're gonna take this gold color and this is gonna go right on the inner corners of the eyes. We're blending it in with our finger. Next, we're gonna take that purple color and we are going under the lash line. We're blending it. We're making it look nice. We're connecting things. I did use the Maybelline eyeliner and I put it on my lower lash line. And then I went in, did a little wing liner with the Ulta Beauty liquid liner. We are really packing this on there. I like to do my wings a little bit thick, a little bit thin, just a little bit of both. So I'm really just going in there. I'm doing both eyes. Next, we are taking the Sephora mascara. This is the Lashcraft length and volume. In the description box below, I'm putting all the makeup down. I'm just packing that mascara on. I like to go simple, just mascara. This is the E.L.F eyebrow kit. So I'm just filling in, coloring in my eyebrows. Those eyes are looking pretty and nice. I'm glad that we made it through this together. Thank you for watching and stay amazing.